We're gonna make this smoothie with kiwi, and I'm not gonna bother peeling it. You know, kiwi is one of the most beneficial fruits. It is full of vitamins, guys, and the skin has a lot of the vitamins in it, so we're not gonna bother peeling this. I'm gonna put it like that into the blender. So we're just gonna half it and put it in our blender. I have half a cup of unsweetened almond milk in here. A banana. I'm gonna add frozen strawberries to this. If you have fresh ones, put them in. Don't take off the green top. That is full of vitamins as well, but add some ice, okay? So let's 2, 4, 6, yeah, let's do a handful of strawberries. Now we're just gonna blend this. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the glass I used with the almond milk, and we serve. Ah, yes. Deliciousness. What a good way to start our day, guys. Loaded in vitamins and potassium and fiber. It's gonna fill us up. We're gonna be full of energy and yeah, very healthy to our health. Ah, this is yummy. There's absolutely no need to add any sugar to this. The banana and the kiwi are sweet enough, and it's a little tart because, you know, kiwis are a little tart. This is good stuff, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.